Class. So this is how you do your digestive system lab, which is also the lactose intolerance lab, lab 15. So the first part, you have to watch this video, Got Lactase, the co-evolution of genes and culture. And for that, you can get the link directly on Canvas. So if you go on your Canvas page and you scroll all the way down to week 8, this is our last week, okay, and then you click on this link, Got Lactase. Okay. Now sometimes Canvas does say that this page is not working. All you have to do is just click on this link and it should take you there. And even if that doesn't work, you can just like copy paste this link and go directly from here as well. Okay, either way, so just watch this video, and activity 1 is based off that video. You answer these questions, true and false, based off that. Now the second part, which is activity 2, is also based on this link, which is Got Lactase, the co-evolution of genes and culture. And essentially what it does is it tells you what happens to these individuals after their blood glucose was taken. So this is what it does. So lactose is a protein which is in milk, and it's digested by the enzyme lactase. And after lactase digests lactose, it converts it into glucose. So what happens is people who have that gene and who have the enzyme, their glucose levels should rise like 45 minutes or 60 minutes after they have taken milk. Okay, people who are lactose intolerant and they don't have that enzyme, their glucose levels would not rise. And so based off that, you figure out who of these individuals, these patients, who are lactose intolerant and who are not. Okay, so then you use this data from this table and you answer all the rest of these questions till here. Okay, now activity 3 is based off another PowerPoint which is on Canvas, and then you just label these different parts of the digestive system. So for that, which is this PowerPoint, if you go back to our modules for week 8, it is the PowerPoint that is listed below the lab, okay, which is this one, digestive system review PowerPoint. So this is the one that you're going to use for the last part of your lab. Okay, and this is what it looks like. All right, so I hope that is clear. These are the instructions for lab 15.